Kotri is a city in Sindh, Pakistan. Nestled on the eastern bank of the mighty Indus River, Kotri is a place where history, culture and nature converge. This city, with its rich heritage and scenic landscapes, offers a unique glimpse into the past and present of the region. It sits on the eastern bank of the Indus River, one of the longest rivers in the world. The Indus River has been the lifeline of civilizations for thousands of years, and Kotri is no exception. The river's presence has shaped the city's development, culture and economy. The city is known for its natural beauty. Lush green fields, serene river views and a variety of flora and fauna make Kotri a picturesque destination. The natural landscapes provide a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Kotri is an important historical and cultural center. The city boasts numerous historical buildings and cultural landmarks that tell the story of its rich past. From ancient ruins to colonial-era architecture, Kotri's heritage is preserved in its structures. Kotri has been a vital trading post for centuries. Its strategic location on the Indus River made it a hub for trade and commerce. The bustling bazaars and markets are a testament to the city's long-standing tradition of trade. Its location on the Indus River made it a strategic point for traders and merchants. Boats laden with goods would navigate the river, bringing prosperity to the city. The river facilitated the exchange of goods, ideas and cultures. The city has witnessed the rise and fall of many empires. From the ancient Indus Valley civilization to the Mughal Empire, Kotri has been a silent observer of history. The ruins and historical sites scattered across the city are remnants of its glorious past. Kotri's history is intertwined with the Indus River. The river has been a witness to the city's evolution over millennia. It has seen the city grow, thrive and transform through different eras. The people of Kotri have a deep connection to the river. For generations, the Indus has been a source of sustenance, inspiration and livelihood. The river is not just a geographical feature, it is an integral part of the community's identity. It is a source of livelihood for many. Fishermen cast their nets into the river while farmers irrigate their fields with its waters. The Indus supports a diverse range of economic activities that sustain the local population. The Indus sustains the agriculture and fishing industries. The fertile lands along the riverbanks yield abundant crops, while the river itself teems with fish. These resources are vital for the community's sustenance and prosperity. Kotri's culture reflects its close relationship with nature. The city's festivals, traditions and daily life are deeply influenced by the natural environment. From river-based rituals to agricultural celebrations, Kotri's cultural fabric is woven with threads of nature. The Indus River dominates Kotri's landscape. Its waters flow through the heart of the city. The river is a lifeline for the region. It provides water for drinking, irrigation and transportation. Kotri experiences a hot desert climate. Summers are long and scorching, winters are short and mild. The vegetation is adapted to the arid conditions. Date palm trees are a common sight in Kotri. They thrive in the hot climate. The trees provide shade and fruit. Other plants include hardy shrubs and grasses. The Indus River is one of the longest rivers in Asia. It originates in the Tibetan Plateau. The river flows through India and Pakistan. The Indus sustains a unique ecosystem. The Indus River is a major source of fresh water. It supports a diverse range of aquatic life. The river is home to numerous fish species. These fish are a vital food source for both humans and wildlife. The Indus River dolphin is a flagship species. It is found only in the Indus River. These dolphins are blind. They rely on echolocation to navigate. Kotri is a haven for various animal species. The city provides a unique blend of habitats. The Indus River attracts a wide range of creatures. Birds are a prominent part of Kotri's fauna. Many migratory birds visit the Indus River. They come from Central Asia and Siberia. These birds spend the winter in the warmer climate. The river provides them with food and shelter. The Indus River Delta is a globally important wetland. It is a breeding ground for several endangered species. The delta is home to the fishing cat and smooth-coated otter. Section 5. Challenges on the horizon. Environmental concerns. Kotri faces environmental challenges. Pollution is a major concern. Industrial waste and sewage often end up in the Indus River. This pollution threatens the delicate ecosystem. Deforestation is another pressing issue. Trees are being cut down for fuel and construction. This loss of vegetation leads to soil erosion. It also exacerbates the effects of climate change. Climate change is a global threat. Its effects are being felt in Kotri. Rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns are impacting agriculture. The frequency of extreme weather events is also increasing. Section 6. Exploring nature's bounty activities in Kotri. Despite the challenges, Kotri's natural beauty shines through. The city offers numerous opportunities to connect with nature, making it a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. From lush green landscapes to the serene waters of the Indus River, Kotri is a place where one can truly immerse themselves in the wonders of the natural world. Fishing is a popular activity here. Locals and visitors alike enjoy casting a line in the Indus River, hoping to catch a variety of fish that thrive in these waters. The river is not just a source of livelihood for many, but also a place of relaxation and recreation. The tranquil environment, coupled with the gentle flow of the river, makes fishing a therapeutic experience. River cruises are another fantastic way to experience the Indus. Visitors can enjoy the scenic views of the riverbanks, dotted with lush vegetation and diverse wildlife. These cruises offer a unique perspective of Kotri, allowing one to witness the harmonious coexistence of nature and human activity. As the boat gently glides over the water, passengers can spot various bird species, making it a delightful experience for birdwatchers and nature lovers. The cool breeze provides a much-needed respite from the heat, especially during the hotter months. Kotri's proximity to the Thar Desert means that visitors can easily venture into this vast, arid landscape. The desert's unique climate and terrain offer a stark contrast to the lush greenery of the riverbanks, providing a diverse range of experiences for those who visit. This vast expanse of sand dunes is a sight to behold. Visitors can go on desert safaris, which are thrilling adventures that take you deep into the heart of the Thar Desert. As the sun sets, the sand dunes are bathed in a golden hue, creating a mesmerizing landscape that is perfect for photography and quiet contemplation. The desert's beauty is both raw and captivating, offering a unique experience that is hard to find elsewhere. For those seeking a more traditional desert experience, camel rides are a must. Riding a camel through the sand dunes is not just about the thrill, it's also about connecting with the region's rich cultural heritage. These gentle giants have been a part of desert life for centuries, and riding one offers a glimpse into the traditional way of life in this arid region. Whether it's the adventure of a desert safari or the serene experience of a river cruise, Kotri has something for everyone. Section 7. Guardians of Kotri Conservation Efforts. Local communities are at the forefront of conservation. They understand the importance of protecting their natural heritage. Many organizations are working to raise awareness. They educate people about the need for sustainable practices. Government agencies are implementing policies to protect the environment. Efforts are being made to reduce pollution. Initiatives are underway to promote reforestation and afforestation. International organizations are collaborating with local stakeholders. They are providing technical and financial support. These collaborations aim to find long-term solutions. Conservation is a collective responsibility. Section 8. A call to action, preserving Kotri's legacy. Kotri's natural environment is a precious gift. Nestled along the banks of the Indus River, Kotri boasts a rich tapestry of landscapes that have been shaped by centuries of natural and human influence. From its lush parks to its vibrant riverbanks, Kotri is a testament to the beauty and resilience of nature. It is our duty to protect it for future generations. The laughter of children playing in the parks and the serene moments families share outdoors are memories that should be preserved. These experiences are not just fleeting moments of joy, but are the building blocks of a community's legacy. By working together, we can ensure that Kotri's natural beauty continues to inspire. Community efforts such as tree planting and riverbank cleanups play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. These activities not only beautify our surroundings, but also foster a sense of unity and purpose among residents. We must reduce pollution and conserve water. Industrial activities have taken a toll on our environment, but by adopting cleaner technologies and practices, we can mitigate these effects. Water conservation is equally important, as it ensures that this vital resource remains available for all. We must promote sustainable fishing practices. The Indus River has been a lifeline for Kotri's fishermen for generations. By using eco-friendly methods, we can ensure that the river continues to provide for future generations without depleting its resources. We must protect the Indus River dolphin and other endangered species. The river is home to unique wildlife, including the endangered Indus River dolphin. Protecting these species is not just about preserving biodiversity, it's about maintaining the health of the entire ecosystem. Let us all be stewards of our planet. Every small action counts, from participating in cleanup drives to engaging in community gardening. These collective efforts contribute to a larger movement towards environmental stewardship. Kotri's story is a reminder of the interconnectedness of nature and culture. The cultural festivals by the riverside and traditional activities in nature highlight the deep bond between the community and its environment. This interconnectedness is a source of strength and inspiration. By preserving our natural heritage, we honor the past and safeguard the future. The ancient ruins and historical sites in Kotri are not just relics of the past, they are symbols of our enduring relationship with nature. Preserving these sites is a way of paying homage to our ancestors and ensuring that future generations can learn from and appreciate their legacy. Together, we can create a sustainable future for Kotri and beyond. The vibrant community spirit and the lush green landscapes are a testament to what can be achieved when people come together with a common goal. By continuing to work together, we can ensure that Kotri remains a beacon of sustainability and a source of pride for all its residents.